Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into CoinMarketCap application. First of all, launch open the CoinMarketCap application on your device and go to the human icon at the top right corner. Here, you will be able to see the sign in and sign up button at the very top left. To log into your existing account, tap on Login. On the next page, enter your email address and then your password associated with your account. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. If you remember your credentials, type it down in the correct text boxes and click on Login. If you want to log in easier without having to enter your email and password, you can also tap on the Continue with Google, Continue with Wallet or Apple option. After entering your credential, click Login, and then if you have enabled it, you may also need to authenticate with two-factor verification. Go ahead and do it. Enter the authenticator code that has been generated by your authenticator app, or if you haven't enabled authenticator app option, or you can also tap on the verify with email option at the very bottom and then enter the login instruction that has been sent to you via email. You'll need to enter the email verification code sent to your registered email inbox. Go ahead and write it down in the text box. After you do that, you'll be able to log in to your CoinMarketCap account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.